Hey guys, since the S-Fan here with Brian and LOL and Carnivorous Monster, we are about to start another gun game if they can just decide on their stupid guns. Yep, we got it. Alright, time to begin. Last gun game, LOL finally got his first win.
The worst guns in the game.
Yeah, exactly. I couldn't get off the riot shield because it kept lagging through people. Oh well. Alright, we're starting out with, looks like the 44 Magnum.
No knifing, please.
Yeah, no knifing to anyone. Well, Carnivorous, he can't hear any of us for some reason. So he might not have understood that because he knifed me once. Couldn't fire fast enough.
Why is that the same weapon? That's the same weapon, why?
No, it's a different one.
Then the M320. Yeah, the MP... Those two guns look very similar, but they are a little bit different.
Oh.
The M320, I really... Of course, he gets a one-hit kill with it after I get hit markers. So does he.
Because I shot you directly in the butt.
Small, great.
Oh, what the hell?
How did he get a one-hit kill with the KSG?
I can't. I don't know what's going on.
He can't hear you. His mic isn't working.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
How is LOL getting one-hit kills with those guns?
I don't know. I really don't know. Oh.
Oh, I killed you, but what the fire, man? Oh,
The car exploded, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh my god! Jeez.
No.
Really?
Knifing! Jesus!
It's really. Oh my god.
But
I'm almost thinking about kicking him.
It's not the motorcycle. Someone still knifing me. I don't know why.
yeah, it's that Craig guy.
It's Carnivorous, yeah. Oh, Ryan demoted himself.
Nice thing.
You don't want to get live. Let's do ourselves.
The Rasas.
Why is it against?
I don't know. I'm gonna kick him.
Hit markers. Oh, it killed you? Okay, fine. Type 95 time.
Kick him.
I kicked him.
Yeah.
He didn't care anymore.
She's just like running up to you and icing you.
I know.
What the heck is this? Oh, it's an assault rifle, okay. Couldn't tell what that was.
I don't know.
MP7.
I don't know what's happening.
I'll send him a message after this match so he knows not to knife anymore.
Oh, what's happening? Jeez.
I'll make sure he knows not to knife after this match.
Yeah.
Alright, tier 16 is the 1887. Great.
Oh, come on.
Wow, 2 hit markers. Wow.
But I think you're going to win this
I have to kill me. Oh, I don't.
Oh my god, another hit marker. Jeez. Type 95 is the hit marker gun of the year, honestly.
He said sorry.
The Type 95 and the KSG. I think is this. MG36. Yeah.
If he won't do it anymore, then it's okay.
Yeah,
Last gun.
Okay, yeah.
You have to last gun already. Oh.
Oh,
Fancy as funniest sniper, watch out, he's the last one.
yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, I hit you. It hit you directly in the chest and it didn't count it. Wow.
Oh, my would never hit me, so.
Yeah. What happened?
Ow, I got a hit pocket, you get, oh, whatever I do.
Yeah, I was closer.
Okay. But still,
No, no, no! Stay away from LOL! You can't win 2 in a row! How did... When did he get on the last tier?
Oh my god.
You bitch!
Too bad that didn't show that on my screen. When I did the exact same thing to you, it didn't count as a hit.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
It didn't. Oh well. That's 12 down, and I'm up 6 to 5 to 1.
hit marker.